The Marlin is a Turkish unmanned surface vehicle (USV) designed for advanced naval operations. Developed by ASELSAN and Seafind shipyard ties. It supports missions like electronic warfare, anti-submarine warfare, and surface combat. It measures about 15 meters long with a beam of 4 meters and can reach speeds over 45 knots, offering 1,000 nautical miles range and 7-day endurance. Configurations include monohull or trimaran hulls, with propulsion via diesel engines and water jets. Capabilities: Marlin handles ISR, base protection, and amphibious support, equipped with EO/IR cameras, sonar, GNSS, and electronic warfare systems like Areas 2 and CESM/ECM. Recent upgrades added mine warfare via software-defined detection using deep learning on sensor data. Armament options: Payloads include guided missiles, e.g., 20x Kuzgun or 8x Sirit SSMs, lightweight torpedoes, and light guns for ASUW/ASW. It integrates with UAVs and supports swarm operations. Operational status: The Turkish Navy commissioned TCB Marlin SIDA, TCB 1101, in January 2024, with 1 unit active. It participated in NATO mine exercises in 2025. Deployable from ships or shore. It operates in Sea State 4 to 5. Marlin's mission set spans anti-surface warfare, ASUW, anti-submarine warfare, ASW, electronic warfare, EW, and ISR, plus base protection and amphibious support. ASW missions: ASW variants, Marlin ASW 100/ASWLT, are developed specifically for anti-submarine warfare with modular payloads. Tasks include deploying and operating towed or variable depth sonars, acting as a remote ASW sensor node, and cueing other platforms or weapons. ASUW and surface combat. The family supports surface warfare packages, Marlin 100 ASUW/ARMDW variants, with remote weapon stations and guided munitions. Missions include patrolling and engaging small surface threats, escorting or screening larger units, and contributing to coastal/strait security. Electronic warfare roles. Marlin EW100 is designed primarily as an electronic warfare and ISR platform, with advanced ESM/ECM to detect, classify, and jam hostile radars and communications. It can shape the electromagnetic environment around naval groups, protect high-value units, and support deception in contested littorals and choke points. ISR, base protection and amphibious support. All variants support intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions using EO/IR, radar, AIS, and other sensors for persistent maritime picture building. Marlin EW100 is explicitly stated as supporting base/port/critical infrastructure protection and amphibious operations, acting as